Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make this amazing and scrumptious grilled chicken sandwiches. So let's quickly get it started. Here I have taken two chicken breasts that I have divided into two. Here we'll take a large mixing dish. To that we'll add some chopped garlic, some thyme, some freshly cracked peppercorns, some olive oil, some salt to taste. Mix everything well. We'll add the chicken breast in here, making sure that the chicken is well coated with the marinade. Now we'll let it rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll cook this on a smoking hot pan without any oil. Add the chicken one by one. The heat should be on medium flame. We need to cook the chicken on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes each. Add the marinade, the flavorful marinade that is there. Flip the chicken and cook it until golden brown. The chicken looks cooked to me. We'll transfer that on a plate. Let it cool down a little bit and then we'll start chopping. The chicken is a little cold here, still hot though. We'll start chopping the chicken. Chop it as finely as you can, or you can keep it bite size if you like. This is how the chicken looks like. Now in a large mixing bowl, we'll add some chopped onions and chilies. You can skip the chilies if you like. Some chopped capsicum, some mayonnaise, some mustard sauce, mix everything together very well. Some pepper, a little bit of salt. Don't add too much of salt. A good mix, and we'll add the chopped chicken. Mix it together. The mixture is ready. We'll keep it aside and take a slice of bread. Spread the mixture evenly. It's a mouth-watering grilled sandwich. Some cheese to make it gooey and cheesy. Seal it up with a slice of bread. Now I have taken a grill pan here. Some butter goes in. We'll grill the sandwich until golden brown and crunchy on medium heat. We need to flip it on the other side, because this side is all cooked, and see how beautiful it looks. Our sandwich is ready. Let me show you how it looks on the inside. Slice it up and see how soft and gooey it is on the outside and extremely crunchy on the outside. Do try this and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.